Welcome to Best Choice. The best VW T1 camper van is probably one of the most iconic and beloved vehicles ever created, and LEGO has done an absolutely phenomenal job of recreating this legendary camper in brick form, offering an incredibly detailed and satisfying building experience for adult fans of LEGO and automotive enthusiasts alike, capturing the essence of freedom and adventure that the original van represents, making it a fantastic display piece and a nostalgic trip back in time. Number 5. LEGO Creator Expert Bookshop 10270. Step into a world of creativity with this advanced LEGO Creator Expert modular building set. It's a bookshop and townhouse, brimming with details for builders and collectors alike. This impressive 3-story structure is packed with features like a display window, bookshelves, and cozy living spaces. It even comes with 5 minifigures to bring your creation to life. This set belongs to the Modular Building series, a collection of interconnecting models. Combine them to create amazing street scenes that you'll love to display. With 2,504 pieces, this building set is an inspirational gift for adults and teenagers. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Standing over 11 inches tall, this buildable model is a stunning display piece. It looks fantastic on its own or as part of a larger street scene. What we like. This set offers a highly detailed, multi-story building experience. It's perfect for those who love intricate designs and want to create a charming street scene. If you are a collector or enjoy detailed architectural builds, you should consider this. What people say. This gorgeous, detailed, and colorful set brings a cozy, small-town feel to any LEGO city, making it a standout addition to the modular lineup. The build is split into 2 separate buildings, the charming Birch Books bookshop and a stylish townhouse, both filled with intricate details and clever building techniques. Inside the bookshop, you'll find bookshelves, a spiral staircase, and even a hidden book in the attic. The townhouse features a cozy living space, a bedroom, and even a pet chameleon, adding a fun touch of personality. Number 4. LEGO Creator Expert Assembly Square 10255. Step into the vibrant assembly square, a modular building that brings a bustling street to life. It features a variety of shops, a dance studio, and a charming outdoor cafe. This modular model offers versatile display options, allowing you to arrange it in various positions. Its elaborate facade boasts beautifully detailed windows and doors, adding a touch of elegance. Bring your creation to life with 8 minifigures, including a dentist, barista, baker, and more. A baby figure is also included to expand your storytelling possibilities. Compatible with all LEGO construction sets, this building toy encourages endless creative building. Combine it with your existing collection for even more imaginative play. Standing over 13 inches high and 14 inches wide, this impressive set is a true display piece. With 4,002 pieces, it offers a rewarding building experience for ages 16 and up. What we like. With a massive 4,002 pieces, this set provides an extensive building challenge. It features a variety of businesses and minifigures, creating a lively community feel. If you're looking for a substantial project and enjoy building bustling cityscapes, this is the one for you. What people say. Large and deep build with lots of pieces. No sticker, all printed bricks, modular rocks. This set is very intricate and fun to put together. It looks great when completed. There were no LEGO pieces missing. Number 3. LEGO Volkswagen T2 Camper Van 10279. Introducing the LEGO Volkswagen T2 Camper Van Building Kit. This set allows you to build a detailed displayable model version of the classic camper van. Explore all of its authentic features, like the large front windshield and the sliding door. You can even try out the working steering and open the hood to see the engine. Discover a host of fun features and accessories. It includes textile curtains, a pop-up tent, a surfboard, and 2 folding chairs for your adventures. This model is designed for adult LEGO builders and camper van enthusiasts. It offers a rewarding building project and makes a great gift. Measuring over 6 inches high and 13.5 inches long, this eye-catching display model is perfect for admiring. It's a classic collectible item for any VW camper fan. What we like. This model meticulously recreates the classic Volkswagen T2 camper van with authentic details. It's designed for adult builders and fans of iconic vehicles. If you love vintage cars, enjoy detailed vehicle builds, or are a VW camper enthusiast, this is a must-have collectible. What people say. The model is a camper conversion. There is a seat that turns into a bed, a refrigerator and stove, a pop-up top and a surfboard and chairs. There are some intricate and involved assemblies throughout this relatively simple-looking set. LEGO doesn't design models that have misaligned parts. It's one of the reasons I love their products. Everything they sell is impeccably designed. The opening mechanism of the side door is ingenious and the spare wheel in front will offer a surprise for you. The back tailgate lifts up as well. This is a must-have LEGO and at $120.00 right now, it is a great bargain. Number 2. BRIKSMAX LED Lighting Kit for VW T1 Camper Van, LEGO 10220. Introducing the BRIKSMAX LED Lighting Kit, specifically designed to illuminate your LEGO Volkswagen T1 Camper Van Model 10220. Transform your creation from dull to dazzling and bring it to life with vibrant light. This kit is tailored for the LEGO 10220 building blocks model. Watch as it brilliantly enhances the iconic design of the T1 camper van, making every detail stand out. Our package includes everything you need: dot lights, strip lights, expansion boards, connecting cables, and a battery holder. With our clear, step-by-step instructions, upgrading your favorite building kit has never been easier. Inside the box, you'll find all the necessary LED components and a user-friendly guide. Please remember that the LEGO set itself is not included with this lighting kit. We are committed to providing excellent support. If you encounter any issues or need assistance with your lighting kit, please don't hesitate to email us. We're always here to help. What we like. This lighting kit is specifically designed to illuminate the LEGO T1 camper van. It offers an easy installation process with step-by-step instructions to dramatically upgrade your model. If you already own the T1 van set and want to make it stand out, especially in low light, this is a fantastic addition. What people say. The lighting effect is nice, and can be driven off USB power if you'd like to put the model in a case or some less accessible installation. Everything that was included was in the box. Easy to put together and every one of his friends and family compliments his collectibles, including this gem. It helped using a tweezer to plug in the tiny wires. Number 1. LEGO VW T1 Camper Van 10220 LED Lighting Kit. Introducing the perfect lighting kit designed specifically for your LEGO VW T1 camper van model. It's time to bring your creation to life with a stunning visual upgrade. Our kit is designed for hassle-free installation. With a simple user manual and detailed PDF instructions, you can easily light up your model step by step. This is the professional lighting solution you've been looking for. It's designed to make your model stand out and look incredibly cool. Make your LEGO VW T1 camper van truly unique. Our lighting kit will highlight its details and give it a spectacular appearance. We are committed to providing high-quality lighting kits. See the most realistic effects and enjoy a product that enhances your model's appeal. Please note that this product includes only the LED lighting kit. The LEGO VW T1 camper van model set itself is not included. What we like. This is a professional lighting solution to make your LEGO VW T1 camper van truly unique. It's easy to install and provides a cool, eye-catching effect. If you want to elevate your T1 van display and make it a standout piece, this lighting kit is the perfect choice. What people say. In this kit the wires are already attached together in the proper configuration. This saved me hours of work and frustration. In addition, the Hayement wiring included bricks with the wires already inserted in them. This is wonderful and saves you from having to try to squeeze tiny wires between tight-fitting LEGO bricks. It makes a huge difference once you can see all of the details they put into the model by having the lights inside. The entire product is of very good quality and the result brings a real plus to the LEGO model. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.